Here it is, the BioLite SolarHome 620. What's the 620 for? Is that for lumens? I like that word, lumens. The box itself actually has a lot of information on it that helps with how it's set up and how it works, which is pretty cool. But, you know, it's probably important that we actually open the box. Now, the box is made of cardboard, which is the carrying case also. And cardboard gets wet, it breaks down. I'm just not sure for long term it's the best way to carry this thing. First, you find the 3 lights it comes with. Yeah, it's magic, you know. Look how they just appear like that. It comes with 2 types of lights, but I'll get into that later because I want you to watch the whole video. Shameless plug over. Okay, here is the switch that switches between the 3 modes for dimming. And then you have the controller, and then you have the solar panel and some other doodads. Yep, doodads. Here's one of those doodads, the USB adapter to connect to your other doodads. And some really long nails for you guys that don't have drywall. Okay, let's talk a little bit about the sweet-ass control panel. Or just control panel, you know, your choice. First up, you got the radio, and it comes with this nice white long antenna so you can tune in all your old-timey shows, I guess. The control panel also has this micro SD slot so you can play all your MP3s. And on the other side, you'll find a battery expansion port and a USB out so you can charge all those doodads. Yep, brought it back, doodads. So maybe it's time to talk about the solar capabilities of this thing. To actually charge the battery in the control panel and run the lights, you gotta plug in the solar panel. Also, there's no backup battery, so if you don't solar charge it, that's that. This feature to me is really cool and easy. So on the control panel, it's gonna show you how long it's gonna take to charge this thing fully. But what's even cooler is how it shows you how much sun the actual solar panel is getting. And depending on how you rotate the solar panel to more direct light, you get a more direct charge. Which it also means it just charges faster, which is great. I will say that BioLite is really good at being straightforward and easy with the directions for setting up their products. Now it's time just to walk away and let that battery charge up and see what those lights do at night. Okay, first off, I didn't have a great place to set this up so I could show you all of it, so I did it in this tree. Yep, it's in a tree. That's what it is. Deal with it. Now this is a cool feature. You can actually link the lights together so they can be even farther apart. Holy sh! They also come with these little hooks so you have options for mounting. So every light has a controller and has 3 different settings: low, medium, high. Can you follow that? It's low, it's medium, it's high. Yeah, that's it. Oh, you can also mount them to a wall with those really long nails if you like. Yep. My favorite thing about the SolarHome 620 is the motion control. Yes, you can tell how deep I get. It is only active when you switch on the little red LED light on the controller. And now there's no sneaking away. Ever. I also forgot there's a 4th light on the controller itself that has 3 different settings. I was impressed by how long they lasted and how bright they were. I also love how long the cords are so you can cover a really large space with a lot of light. I admit this is a little bit of a quick review and how-to of the SolarHome 620, and if you spend a little time with the manual, there are a couple other things you can do with the SolarHome 620. So wrapping it up, I have to say I really love this little machine. Between the lights having 3 different options for dimming and the motion control, I love that you have a radio, you have an MP3 player, and a way to charge your devices. There are a couple things I'd want to change. The carrying case being a cardboard box, not the best option. It should be a hard case. Also, I'd add some more clips to wrangle up those long wires. I also think it has a multitude of options for use, between camping, glamping, and even a power outage. I mean, this thing would save your life. Okay, that's going a little far. But at least light up your life when it's dark out because your power's out. You know what I'm saying. Hey, I'm the Glamp Guru. Thank you again for watching. Please like, comment, or subscribe, or even troll. It's up to you. Have a great day. Bye.